This is a mod on your Wii USB air conditioning units. If you want them to be blowing a bit more cold air. Right, so what you do, get yourself, this one here can actually run off battery power now with the extra fan in there, but this is actually off the back end that was on the air seen on TV fans. That could be chargeable, so it's got a rechargeable battery in there, so it's charging up. And yeah, we've added another 12-volt computer fan. So you see here, normally it's just this one here, so we've added another one there. And it's wired up through that to this here, and then we've also got a speed adjuster here. That one's going to be off. Oh, it's good down. Actually blowing twice as much cold air. Alright, how do you hope it is a bit colder?